Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make your vocal go from this, hello, this is a nice spoken vocal tutorial, to this.
Hello, this is a nice spoken vocal tutorial.
So you can hear and feel the really nice grain at the end of the vocal, and I'll show you how to make that easily using only FL Studio stuff. So let's jump right in. So the first thing you're gonna do is pick up a vocal, so I just created a small vocal for this tutorial. Hello, this is a nice spoken vocal tutorial. And the first thing I'm gonna do is already pitch it down to semitone, just because I want my voice to be a bit deeper.
Hello, this is a nice spoken vocal tutorial.
And I'm gonna duplicate it, and on the copy I will make unique as sample, so that now this version of the vocal, if I remove the pitching,
hello, this is a nice
it's exactly the same as the first vocal, but already pitched down to semitones. I'm gonna pitch it down 3 extra semitones here, and I'll make unique as sample again. If I reset it,
hello, this is a nice spoken vocal tutorial.
it's really nice and dark, and I'm gonna lower it 9 extra semitones so that it will, compared to the first vocal here, it will be 1 full octave down. And I will change the mode to mono.
Hello, this is a nice spoken vocal tutorial.
And now you can feel a nice grain in the voice. Even though I do not have that deep voice, I can have a nice grain using the mono. And the reason why we go first 3 semitones lower is so that the vocal is already kind of dark, because the monotonic version of the pitch algorithm will not make it dark on its own. It will just add this grain.
Hello, this is a nice spoken vocal tutorial.
And now what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna use the pitched vocal on the entire thing. I'm just gonna use it on the last word.
Tutorial.
So what I'm gonna do is create an automation clip on the volume for the first one, a nice ramp down from the beginning of the word. I want to fade from one version of the vocal to the other. So like this, get it down, automate volume. I'll make the same, but a ramp up for this version of the vocal. So go like this and like this, and now the two will fade. Create a nice bump like that, otherwise you might have a problem that the volume is not perfectly matching.
Tutorial.
Maybe like that.
Tutorial.
And now you have that nice vocal. You can change it a bit more to your liking, maybe like this.
Tutorial.
And maybe this too for this one.
Tutorial.
So now you have the transition from one version of the vocal.
Hello, this is a nice spoken vocal tutorial.
And the last thing you need is just some effects. Not too much. I'm just gonna put both of them on the same insert here, on insert 2. And I'm gonna just throw in some equalization. You can use any equalizer you like. I will just cut everything under 200 Hertz.
Hello, this is a nice...
Maybe not 100, maybe only 100, not 200.
Hello, this is a nice spoken vocal tutorial. Hello, this is a nice spoken...
I'm gonna lower a little bit the low, then I get a bit more of the mid.
Hello, this is a nice spoken vocal tutorial.
And I'm gonna use a sound divider.
Hello, this is a nice spoken vocal tutorial.
To have it a bit beefed up.
Hello, this is a nice spoken vocal tutorial.
And you have now this nice effects. The last thing needed is just some reverb and delay, just a little bit, hard pumping.
Hello, this is a nice spoken vocal tutorial.
Delay, just the plain reverb, maybe a bit softer.
Hello, this is a nice spoken vocal tutorial.
And that way you can achieve some nice effects on a spoken vocal. So you can use it on any vocal. It's my voice, I'm not even good with spoken verse. It's just working with any kind of vocal. You just lower the first version of the vocal to whatever value you want it to be, so that it will be your main vocal, and then remove 3 semitones from that first vocal and then make it unique, 9 extra semitones in mono mode, and you will have that nice effect. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. If you liked it, make sure to drop a like or a subscription if you want more of these tutorials. And you can also find me for more like casual talking and music making and or tutorial live on Twitch. All the informations are in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.